Oh shucks, I gotta fix my browser. Yo. Ooh, dark and mysterious. I gotta fix this. How's this? Is this better? It's alright. Goated. I mean, it's so laggy. Whatever. I like it. It's funny. Alright, what Leetcode we doing? No. Stop that. Is this new? Maximum value of an ordered triplet. You were given a 0 index integer array nums. 0 index, so there's nothing in there. What you mean? No, we ain't doing this one. Remove element? That can't be hard. Given some already nums, and some int value. Remove all occurrences of value in nums in place. What does that mean, in place? I don't know what that means. So could I just loop through nums and then return nums again? Nums. How do I delete something out of an array without shifting the whole array over? The order of the elements may be changed. What does this mean? Value 3. We want to get rid of 3. Nums equals 2. Your function should return k equals 2. I don't know, man. I'm confused. Let's go back to the 75-day thing. A valid anagram. Oh, that's some new code. I thought I did this. Did I not? I swear I did. I did this, bro. I'm done with that. Can I mark this off? Bro, I did this. Oh, I'm stupid. Bro, who is this guy? Where's bro fame? But he hasn't solved. Can place flowers column. Bro, what? Bro hasn't solved. Can place flower skull emoji. Yeah, sure, man. Sure. I don't know what that means, but sure. What does that mean, Mason? Buddy hasn't solved can place flower skull emoji.
I have no idea what that means.
Maybe that's a problem. How? Oh yeah, I haven't solved it. What do you, bro? Call me buddy, buddy, bro. No, I haven't solved any. I have like 5 done. Look, you want to see how many I got done? I got like 3 and then 1 in progress. Because I keep getting the wrong answer. Man, it's like my 3rd day doing this, bro, and I'm getting bullied. This man's bullying me. No, this is funny though. I like this. Real. Mega Blaziken is now. Hold up. Yeah, you're now a moderator. How you feel, big dog? You can ban him now. A lot.
Alright.
You can ban him out of my chat. Hold on. Don't do that. We nice around here. What is can place flowers? You have a long flower bed in which some of the plots are planted and some are not. However, flowers cannot be planted in adjacent plots. Okay. Given an array, flower bed, containing zeros and ones, where 0 means empty and ones are not empty, and an integer n, return true if new flowers can be planted. What does this even mean? Given an integer array flower bed containing zeros and ones, so this is containing zeros and ones, where zeros means it's empty and ones means it's not. And some integer m, we don't know what the n is, if n new flowers can be placed in the bed. Does this mean 1 goes here, but it can't go here or here because that's adjacent, or the next one, and then 2 cannot go in here? So when you just do if if zeros equal odd, so if zeros is an odd number, zeros is some odd number, You can plant at least one flower bed. But what if it's 10010? It's not a good edge case. If previous is 1, oh, we could do that. We could do that. It's not a bad idea. So if we do some int previous, some int next. Oh, I think I could actually solve this one. The guy was on to something. He was right when he said the flower bed one.
Yeah.
He was cooking. Smart buddy. Alright, let's go. So, yes. Alright, we actually don't need this. Instead, we could just loop through it. So, for int I equals 0 as I is less than flower bed dot length when I plus plus. What I'm gonna do is if previous and next do not equal 1, then n, or actually let's say plantable plus plus. So we're gonna say int plantable equals 0, because 0 things can be planted. Yes. Int plantable is 0, so 0 things are plantable. And then we're gonna go through this. If previous and next are not 1, then we'll add 1 to plantable. Else, don't. For int I. So if flower bed I plus 1, well then we can't start at so is it always gonna start with shucks? Flower bed length could be 1. We'll do that in a second. We'll start at 1, which is there. And end at length minus 1, because we get to the end. Yeah. So if flower bed, bro, is in the dark void right now. Bro, my freaking lamp's dead, Mason. My lamp is freaking dead. You have no clue what's going on.
But I'm watching it.
I'm gonna try to explain it to you on stream. Holy moly, dude. I just got flashbanged. Oh, that's awesome, dude. That's actually awesome saucing. Holy, it's too bright. Too bright for the camera. There we go. Holy, that's way better. Kind of. Alright, Mason. So I'm gonna read this prompt to you. So the overall topic is can place flowers. So we're trying to see if we're allowed to place flowers. you have a long flower bed. So I'm gonna draw this out in paint for you. Watch this. I got you. I'm gonna entertain you. And because I'm a streamer, we're gonna paint in light mode. A dark mode. Alright, you have some long flower bed which some of the plots are planted and some are not. So we have some flower bed plot like this. And there's these different plots which are divided into little squares. And it's trying to see if we can plant in them. So we can plant a pot in here which has flowers. And then the next one over, we cannot plant a flower in. So this one we could put a flower in. This one would be no flower because it's adjacent to it, next to it. And then this one we'd be able to put another one into. And then the next one would be no flower because it's adjacent. So on either side, it can have nothing. And then you can plant a flower. Is that kind of...
I want you to know that your paint is not being screen shared.
Oh, you're smart. You're a smart little cookie. Yeah, it's probably on the Don't Show tab. Okay, not that one. Alright, there we go. Nope, that's not it. Oh, here we go. Why is paint showing now? Let's see.
There's a delay, I don't know.
I don't think it is. Very interesting. Very interesting. I don't know why it's not showing. It's just black. I knew it. Alright, never mind. I'm gonna have to probably add. Is it game capture? Oh, here we go. I fixed it. Indeed, I did not fix it. Bro, why is it not capturing? Paint or Brave or anything? I don't know. Glad you told me that though. Oh, window capture. Here we go. Here we go. It is indeed, alright. It is indeed not showing up. Just open up Excalibur. Okay, bro. Appreciate it. Who is Cheese Fest? Do I know this Cheese Fest? Yeah, not on Chrome. I'm gonna do it on here. Oh wait, I gotta turn this browser on. Do this. Okay, there we go. Do I know you, Cheese Fest? By the way, I'm about to solve the problem. I have it all in my head. I actually have a good strat. I'm explaining to my friend how to solve it though, because he doesn't know what Leetcode is. Alright, so oh god, I'm not gonna learn how to use this. Oh, here we go. Paint. Alright, that's weird. Oh, shucks. Alright, well, we're gonna use this for now. Alright, so Mason, there's this flower plot with all these different plots on it, okay? And then the first one's gonna have a flower in it. Now the next one, if it's empty, we're good. If it let me see how to word this. You cannot plant a flower in a box that already has a flower. Or you cannot plant a flower in a box that is right next to a plot with the flower. So this next one would... Yeah, there you go. It has to alternate. Boom. Simple. Boom. Now we're trying to check if they do alternate and if there's enough spaces to put a specific amount of flower pots. So it's going to say, can we put n amount of flower pots in it? So let's say 2 flower pots. Okay. Boom. Can we put 2 flower pots in here? And it's going to give us some random selection of flower pots, and we'd be able to say yes or no. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trash at explaining that, but I'll get it next time. Not now, though, because it's kind of late already. Alright, if flower bed at position I plus 1. So if next, is not equal to 1, and flower bed at I minus 1 is not equal to 1. And then we're going to do this. We're going to say plantable plus plus. And then at the end of this, we're going to return, actually, if plantable equal n, then we're going to return we're going to return true. Else, we're going to return false. Oh, retarded. There we go. Probably can't say that on YouTube, the R word.
No, I don't think you can say that.
I don't think I said anything. Alright, time to see if I messed this up. Yo, I did it! Boom! I freaking did it! Wasn't that easy? That took me low-key like 5 minutes. Now let's see if it passes all the test cases. I don't think it will. Yeah, I knew it. N equals 2? I thought, oh, interesting. What about the example 0, 0, 0, and N2? What about the example 0, 0, 0, and N is 2? Let's see. Let's see what you're talking about. Oh, this one? Oh, wait, you're right. You're right. Wait. So if next, if the next position is not a 1 and the previous position is not a 1, we add to it. So we go here, and then here. Previous is a 1, so we don't add. Here, we add to it. Here, we don't. So that would just mean 1. And where are we getting stumped at? Let me see real quick. Output's true. Why is output true for this? Plantable equals n? Why? Why is plantable? Oh, there's 4. Ah. Your for loop goes from 1 to n minus 1, that's why? Let's see. Goes from 1 to n1. Well, the reason my for loop goes from 1 to n minus 1 is because I start at 1, which would be right here. So it'd be right after the 1. And then what I'm doing is I'm checking before and after to see if either one of the things are a 1. And if they are, then we don't add it to plantable. So let me figure out how to explain this. So we start at 1, index 1, and if the thing before it and after it is not a 1, then we say yes, we can plant something there. And then we move to the next thing. And we repeat the process. If the front and the back of it are not 1, we see if it's plantable. And then we do it again. Now this is a flaw because I forgot it's an even amount of zeros. So I either have to count the number of zeros.
Geez, that says you have to mark it as planted and you aren't.
Also, you have to then mark it as planted, and you aren't. I am marking it as planted, though. Am I not with plantable plus plus? Oh, wait. Wait. That's just... Hold up. I don't think that'll fix it. I'm going to have the same issue. Yeah, it does the same thing. Interesting. I have a really goofy solution to fix this, and I can count the number of zeros, and if they're even, boom, 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 plantable. Flower bed I equals 1. You think this needs to be a 1? Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean by flower bed I equals 1? I know flower bed I equals 1, because don't we want to start at 1? We want to start at index 1 instead of 0, because starting at 0 is useless. Or am I wrong? Flower bed I equals 1. Interesting. So how do I think about this? Yes, plantable, and then this is saying yes, plantable. It's saying no. So into is false, but we could count the number of zeros instead. 3, 4. If we have an even number, we know it's plantable minus 1. What if I do this? Int 0 equals 0 for now, so there's 0 zeros in it. What if I do another if flower bed at I equals 0, then we do 0 plus plus semicolon. That'll tell us how many zeros we have, and bunch of loops real quick. If you found a valid spot to plant, then you need to mark it as planted, so you don't plant a flower. Next to it. Okay, no, that's good. No, that's smart. All right, let me think about how to do this then. I appreciate the help. Thank you, Mr. Cheese. That's actually, I like this. This is good. If I found a valid spot, then I need to mark it as planted already. So that when I check it when I move right. Okay. Using flower I equals 1. Now, will I put that in the loop? All right, let me get rid of what I just added, because technically I don't need to do this. That's a stupid waste of time. Plantable. All right, let's see. Int. Wait, no. Plantable. We add flower bed. Wait, what if I do another one? Wait. So if this is true, then we do flower bed at I equals 1. Now is it good? It's just gonna work now. Submit. Shucks, no, it doesn't. Close though. I was almost it. Almost. Can we plant zero flowers? It's returning true. If plantable. Oh wait, it's because I have this stupid thing, bro. My freaking foot's cramping. Yow. All right, let's see. If plantable equals n. Well, why don't I have to do it inside of here? No, we don't want to do it for every single one. Well, and what if I do and n does not equal 0? Because we don't. This should work. I think this is gonna work. I think this is it. Shucks. It's still. Oh, it wants it to be true. I'm putting false. What if I do R? Freak. I'm going back now. Shucks, dude. Output true. Oh, wait. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Oh, man. Bro, you know what I just realized, bro? My face cam's in the middle of all of it. Put my camera down here so people can see. Oh my god, I'm actually a bum, bro. I'm a bum. So close. Let's see. Can we plant? Output false wants to be true. So we go here. No. Here. At that position, so position 2, it equals 1. We start here, we check the previous and the next. And then we go here and we check the previous and the next, and we say, yes, we can plant one. Yes, we can plant one. And we go here. And then we go here. Yes, and then we go here and we go no and no. Why is output false? Oh wait, I have this. Oh, what am I not seeing? If they're both non-zero, we add to plantable, and then we make this odd. So this would go start. Well, 0 would start me at, yeah, would mean it's 0 and 2, and then this and this, true. Can I just do this? I'll make my life a little easier. Equals 0, and this one equals 0. Then yes, we just planted one, and we made the flower bed at that spot equal to 1. So if this is 2, which this would mean this would be a 1 or 2 or 3. Say 3. Oh no, 2. Means 3 and 2 are both 0, so we. Right now you were checking if you can plant on either side, but not if you can plant on the current square. Yeah. So I'm checking the previous plot and the next plot. Or the previous square and the next square. Oh, wait. But wouldn't it be the same thing? Because if you check the previous plot and the next plot, if they're both 0, oh wait, you're right. You're correct. Wait, and oh, you're smart. And flower bed. Sorry, it's kind of late, man. At I equal 0. Oh, this gotta be it. This gotta be it. No, it's not. We close though. We beating all the test cases. We brute forcing it. We are brute forcing it. So if now I'm not checking. Okay, this is where it needs to be 0. But then it doesn't work if you put I minus. Could I put a nested if loop? If this, so if at I is 0, or could I do at no, that doesn't work then. Because now I'm not checking the first one. Yeah, one more issue. Okay, I'm trying to think of how to fix this. If I make this 0, then the next and the previous square checking is broken, if I'm not mistaken. Because if we check this when I is 0, won't it check either the last index or give me an issue? Let's see. Let's see if it gives me a problem. It's going to say right here. Yeah. Then I get a problem right here. I meant 1 to... I meant 1 to n minus 1. You aren't ever using the ends because your loop goes from 1 to... So you have to handle I equals 0 and I equal -1 cases different in the loop. Ignore that, read previous message. Okay, so you aren't ever using the ends of the squares because my for loop goes from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. So you have to handle I equals 0 and I equals n minus 1 cases different in the loop. A few more if statements. Okay. I appreciate you not just giving me the answer, by the way. So you have to handle I equals 0. Let's think about this. You aren't using the ends. You aren't ever using the ends. So inside my for loop, I keep everything the same, but I make another if loop. Or another if statement. So instead of doing this... Let me get rid of this. Then I want to check. So I'm never using the ends of the loop. So I'm going to handle I equals 0. Alright. So this checks previous and the next. So do I need to put an if statement inside of my current if statement? So if the previous square and the next square is 0, then we go and check the current square, which the current square I actually have no clue now. I actually have no clue. I'm kind of roboting out. Another hint, please, if you will. You aren't ever using the ends because your for loop goes. So you have to handle I is 0 and I. Man. Let me think about this. Let me actually start thinking instead of just writing code. Let me run this to get rid of this error on the side. Is there any way I could put this like here forever? Can I keep this chat open on the side? I don't know. How do I do this? So we're going to check the previous and the next. And then I could make a boolean, and if it's true, we can, if this boolean's true, I could do a nested loop. I could do, alright, this is going to be such a bad way to do it, but I don't care. So if this, I'm going to comment this out. Oop. I didn't mean to run that. Alright, so instead we're going to do this. We're gonna make a boolean up here called boolean equals boolean is planted equals false. We're going to set is planted equals true. And then I'm going to do if is planted. And it should already be true. I don't think I need to do this, but I'll do it anyways. If it is true, so if is planted equals true, are ready to plant whatever. So it checks the next and this one, and it sees if the we're gonna make another for loop exactly how we have it. And we're gonna do int let's do j this time equals 0. J is less than flower bed. So it's gonna run through this until it gets to true. Did I spell this right? Man, my eyeballs, I'm gonna die. And we're gonna do -1 to check the whole thing. I plus plus. Wait. I don't know if this is gonna work. I really don't. So this is saying previous and the next are both 0. So we're able to plant something. Or we're seeing if we can plant something. Now since this is true, we're going to go check each one. But this doesn't work for 0. Right? Or can I just start at 1? Will 1... Can I just start at 1? And just loop through the whole thing? Well, only one way to find out. Flower bed at J. Oh, wait. I need another thing. If flower bed at J equals 0, then we're gonna make a boolean, or we're gonna make plantable plus plus. Boom. And then just copy this real quick. Boom. Run. See if this works. Out of bounds. I'm gonna go from 1 to the length minus 1. Oh, silly me. Silly mistake. This should work. It's slow, but it's gonna... Oh, it's really slow. God dang it, bruh. Oh, I can't think. My brain. Man, just get rid of all this, bro. Which one is this and which one is this? Trash code, I knew it. Knew I was trash. Uncomment this out. Yeah, stuck. I'm actually stuck. I don't know how to do this. I got it somewhat working. But it doesn't work for some edge cases. So this wouldn't work. Because I'm not... Let's see. At 1. Check these two. Nope. It's supposed to be true. Plantable is supposed to be 1. How am I getting false for plantable? So here, we check the next and the next. True. Like right here. We're getting 2. Okay. And that I. So the thing I had previously was somewhat right. And flower bed at I is 0. Does this work? Not sure if I can post links. I have no clue. I'm gonna be honest. I'm pretty sure you can post links. The only thing that
YouTube chat.
Yeah.
I think YouTube blocks links.
Oh, alright, never mind. I just got word that maybe you can't post links. I have a Discord, if you have Discord, Mr. Cheese. I'm kind of getting it. You know, it's kind of late at night. You know, the thinking's not thinking right now. My brain's not thinking. Let me pull my Discord up. I'll get my username for you if you want to add me. Send a link there. I have an okay idea of how to do it. I feel like on a fresh brain, I'd maybe be chilling. I would maybe be able to get it. Whoa, Aiden's live. That's crazy. Bro, what the heck in the Discordian, bro? What the heck? No, don't save this. Delete that. I actually don't know my username. Shucks. Hey, you want to do me a favor, Mason?
Yep.
Can you see my username on Discord? Is it just I'm Lexon or Lexon? Or does it have numbers still? I don't remember.
It's help Lexon.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's my Discord if you want to add it. Maybe send the link in there. I mean, you can. I don't know if you're gonna get banned on YouTube or timed out by some.
No, they don't ban anyway.
Oh, they don't do that. Okay. You can send it in Discord. You can try that. Guess who's playing Valorant?
Of course.
He's on Valorant right now. That's awesome. I'm happy for him. I'm happy he's doing that instead of locked in. Can this load? Why are you not loading? So check the previous and the next and the current one we're at and see if they're all 0. If they're all 3 0, we're good. But if the current one we're at is not 0, alright. Hello? Oh shucks, it shows my submissions. That's funny. Why isn't it it's internet being slow? The internet being quite slow. Pending Banana Man. I assume this is cheese. Banana Man, yes sir. Okay, I got 102 test cases. It's supposed to be true for this one. And that's because we're not checking. Ah, my hand's cramping. We're not checking the first one, which I understand that. Oh, wait, hold up. I think I know how to do it. Oh, wait, I think I know how to do it. Hold up, let me. Oh, wait, how do I do it without this, though? Can I? Alright, I'm not gonna look at your link yet if you do send it. I think I just figured it out. I think I know what you're talking about now. So if this, so if the current one we're at, wait, I could loop. Oh, actually, I have an idea. I have a really janky idea again. Can I put this? Can I if the? Can I? Is there like a fast way to do like that? Is that all in there now? What does this go to? What is this for? This is this one, this is that one, that's that one, and then that's for this if statement. All right, Mr. Cheese. I'll check it in a second. I think I might have figured it out though. Wait, what did I just do? What does this go to? This goes to this. So if this, let's do this, and then enter, and then that goes to. Bro, what the heck? All right, this is good. I want to put this and this, and then be like, if we only want to check just if I is greater than 0, because I'm gonna fix it and put this at 0. So if I is greater than 0, we want to do this, and I know the code. I could probably fix it like this, huh? That was not formatted. Let me fix this before it gives me a stroke. That's for that one. That should be for that one. Yeah. All right. If I is greater than 0, we're gonna do this. Boom. Problem solved. Wait. And I gotta do and I is less than flower bed dot length minus 2, because before it was at 1. Wait, no, it's still minus 1, so it doesn't matter. So it was at 1, and if it was at 3, it would do 1, 2. Yeah. So this doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Yep. Now if, so this is saying if we're not on the first one. Now if we are on the first one, if the current one we're on and flower bed at I plus 1, so the next one, oh wait, I should probably finish the statement, equal 0. Then what we want to do is say, wait, we only want to do this for I is less than 1 and this. So then we want to say, oops, shucks, I hate when it does this. Wait, I might have cooked. Yeah. Yes. No. I know why. I think it's because it's 0 at the end. Yeah. Now, how do I... Okay. How do I do... If I is this, or I is greater than flower bed dot length. So if the length... Let me think. 3, 6, 7. The length is 7. The length is 7. What if it equal? It's gonna... Wait. Shucks. Eight, 7, 7. So this does go to 7, right? No. Hold up. So I gotta do this. Right? Boom. That should fix it. So while I is this, or I is... So before it was I less than... Wait. Can I do an and for this? And I is less than flower bed dot length minus 1. Bro, I literally put that. I'm so stupid. Oh my god, I'm actually so stupid. You're close. I'm gonna head out. Alright, thanks, Mr. Cheese. Appreciate it. Appreciate all your help. I'm gonna look at your link if I can't get it. Rough start to the night. Let's do this. So if I is 0, or if I is 7, let's say, and what we're currently on is 0. Oh wait, I can make this into its own thing. Wait, I think I actually have it. I actually think I finally got it after saying I had it like 10 times. If I is 0 and what we're on is 0, we're going to copy this. We're going to do this. If I equals flower bed dot length minus 1 and what we're on and the thing before it is 0, boom, run this. I equals... Let's wrap this and put it in an equals because I'm stupid and that's not how that works. Give up meaning look at and understand the solution. Oh, I'm not going to give up. I'm close. I would say on these easier problems, give up kind of quick if you're close. Oh, no. All right. Yeah, no, I see what you mean. No, I'm being slow today. I had a, pretty long study session for linear algebra. So my brain's kind of wacky tacky right now. I appreciate it though. I do know what you mean. If I do get really stuck on one, I'm going to go look and just see what the answer is. But I think I'm fairly close. What does this mean? Oh, we're out of bounds by 1. Why are we out of bounds by 1? So if I is 0, at 0 is 0. Yeah. Appreciate it, Mr. Cheese. You would goat for real. Not even gonna lie. You would goat. Flower bed equals... Index 1 out of bounds for length 1. So if I... You mean length 1? So close. Why are we out of bounds? Why are we out of bounds? Think. If I is 0, then all these have to be 0. Zero? Okay, cool. And flower bed is at 0, which equals 0. Is it? And 0 plus 1 is 0, so the thing to the right... Oh, wait, no, that doesn't make sense. So I have to do and flower bed dot length is greater than 1, if I remember right. That's how that works. Now I'll do the same thing for this next one, Rach. Check it out. Check it out. We about to have it. Oh, it's still out of length. Index 1 out of bounds for length 1. So if you have a length 1, it's out of bounds. Oh, wait. If it's at length 1... 0, 0, 0. But we're not plugging 1 in, correct? You can't plug 1 in because flower bed dot length is not 1. So close. I'm so close. I know it. I'm gonna look at one thing and it's gonna click. It's gonna snap. So if I is less than 1, yes it is 0, and the flower bed at 0, 0. Okay, and the thing to the right of it, and the length of flower bed is greater than 1. So the length has to be at least 2. So we can check the thing to the right. Now, why are we getting this issue? So why are we getting this issue? It's probably some easy peasy. So close, so close. I know it. I know it. What if I do if I is less than 1, so 0. So if I don't know if that's going to change anything. If I is 0, so we're only checking the first one. And the current thing we're on is 0. So the thing at 0 is 0. And flower bed to the right. Hold up. Let's do this. So if I is 0 and the flower bed we're on is 0, then we're gonna go do if the length equals 1. So if the flower bed length is 1, we're just gonna boom. Now it's just solving this problem. True. But now we're gonna get this test case, which is still the same issue. If I is 0, yes. And this is 0. Oh wait. Oh shucks. Else it means they're longer. Wait, so it doesn't matter. Else if what about now? Any problems? Shucks. I'll put false. Shucks. Wait, oh no, this don't work then. No. Oh, wait. If we have too many plantables, I solved it, Mason. And it's in 1 millisecond runtime. It runs in 1 millisecond. I've done that once. It's always like 15 milliseconds of runtime. No, Cheese, I did it. I did it, Cheese. I'm gonna text him on Discord. I did it, Cheese. All by myself. So proud. Dude, Cheese the GOAT, bro. I didn't use any help, but he is awesome. He is awesome for being here. Start, no, do not, no, actually later. Let's do that later. How do I send them a link to this? Is there a way to link this? Did I submit it? Is this submitted? Yeah, later. Copy link. I will look at the link you sent now. Thank Let's see. Alright. Can chat see this? Can chat see it? Yeah, chat can see it. Let's go, dude. I feel so good solving that, bro. You can. There's no way you can solve it in 0 milliseconds, bro. Dude, I can't believe I got that. That's actually so hype, dude. That's so freaking hype. Now the code looks awful. I did not make that look good whatsoever. Let's freaking go, dude. Wait a minute. Is this a link he sent me? Banana Man? This is his? Wait, what? Is this his code? Plantable 0? Oh, here we go. Let's see. 45? 45.97? Oh, mine's a little bit. Take a little bit more. Beats 22.36, dude. Oh, we got like the same exact thing. Interesting. Basically the same. Basically the same. That is my fourth Leetcode problem solved. Goated, man. Let's go. Let's go. 4 Leetcode problems done. Let's see how he did it. Oh, his is a lot simpler. I like this. This is way better. So if n equals 0, r, that's smart too, so I don't have to keep calling it. If n equals 0, r, n is greater than length. Okay, return true. Well, why if n is greater than length? The length is 7 and n is... I will say the length is 3 and the number of things you want to plan is 10. Not going to question it. Nice, I think that's my 850th. What the heck? 850, holy dude, that's insane. 850. That's so... many. And Michael live. Let's go, bruh. Let's freaking go. So many. I wonder what Banana Man's up to. I wonder, like... I don't want to ask him all his personal stuff right now. Or, like, ever. That's his personal business. I was gonna say, you know, you went to school for computer science, you got a job in computer science. I'm not gonna do all that. Let's go, bruh. Let's freaking go. Let's understand this now. Return true. Interesting. And what if n is like 7? Why would that be true? See? 0 n less than or equal to. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. If length equals 1, so if the length is 1, return flower beta equals 0. Oh, that's so smart. Wait. Oh, that's actually so smart. That's actually so smart. What? That's brilliant. That's actually brilliant. Saves a lot of time and makes the code more readable. So if we have a length of 1, we're going to do this. See what mine looks like? If the length equals 1, if this is 1, yeah, that's so much more efficient than what I wrote. This is so much harder to read. Okay, if flower bed at 0 equals 0, so if the square root of 1 is 0 and flower bed 1 equals 0, because out of index, so if the first thing and the next thing, so if the first thing and the next thing is 0, return like that. If flower bed length minus n equals 0, so length equals 0. So we're doing the last thing is 0, and the thing before it is 0. And then we could just do exactly what I was doing before. Oh, so now we could do flower bed. We could check the next thing and the thing before it. So check the next thing and the thing before it and itself. Then we could do this. Return P. Interesting. I thought you had to return if you were doing it this way. I was under the impression you had to return true or false. True or false. Oh, you are. Is it greater than or equal to? Okay. You are. Return P is greater than or equal to N. P is greater than or equal to N.
Where's Mason?
I think in the bathroom. Solve the problem. Goated. Okay.
No. What problem?
It's a flower bed problem.
Oh, that's one of those. That's that website you're talking about.
Yeah, I did it in 1 millisecond too. 1 millisecond response time. It's fire.
I'm guessing that's good.
Yeah, that's like what everyone else has apparently. I always get like.
Well, to be fair, most of them probably cheated.
Yeah, you're not wrong with the stupid AI.
I don't know. Fucking, hang on, let me think.
Let's go. I got 4 of these things done.
Never mind. I was like, I came in here to ask a question, but I remembered I needed to ask it to Mason, so it was like kind of.
Yeah, I'm sure it wasn't important.
I was like, did you start studying for the camp? Based off of the lack of note cards on the desk, I'm taking that as a fuck no.
Like this one runs in 7 milliseconds. This other problem. The problem I solved today does it in 1 millisecond, which is very interesting.
Yep.
Because, once you start adding 7 milliseconds times 500 things that you're doing, it starts becoming slow.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Mason, did you start going over the chem?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so. I was making sure I wasn't behind.
Word.
No, I'm waking up at 6.
Haven't looked at it yet. You're ahead.
No, I'm waking up at 6 in the morning.
I am streaming, by the way. Yeah.
Wait, what?
I am streaming. Just letting you know. Yeah. So don't dox yourself by accident.
Okay.
Yeah.
Streaming? Ooh.
On YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I met this cheese guy. He just randomly came in chat. He helped me kind of solve this problem. Not really. He was just like, "You're doing it wrong," and I was like, "Oh, really?" And he was like, "Yeah, you're looping over this too many times, and you're not checking the edges." And I was like, "Oh, really?" And he's like, "I can send you the link if you want. to like how I did it, and I said sure, but I'm not gonna look at it until I finish it and figure it out myself. So I finished it, figured it out myself, and I texted him on Discord. I was like, I did it literally like 5 minutes after he was like, yeah, I'm gonna head out and go to sleep. And I sent it to you, the thing I did, and like I was like, I just finished it.
Gotcha.
5 minutes later.
Oh, you're live on Twitch.
And then he's finished 850 of the problems on this website, which is actually that's actually a lot. Cause
how many are there?
let's see, I actually don't remember. There's like 2,000, 3,000, 5 billion, million. How do I see how many is on here? I can just do this. How many Leetcode problems are there? There we go. 3,300. And if you solve like over like 250, that's considered a good amount. And if you solve like 500, you're like godly. And if you like get to 800, you're like a god. And if you're above that, yeah,
Crazy.
it's very interesting. Very cool. I got 4 done. 4 of them are done. I've been trying to do like 1 a week. So, yeah. And there's this other one I was working on that I'm like, I feel like I'm close to getting the answer, but I can't really figure out how to do it. And it's literally just math stuff too.
Yeah.
Like this one, it's like you gotta see how many times each of these are divisible by themselves, not by themselves. So you see ABC.
Yeah.
How many times can that go into this one? It could go into it twice. It's ABC and then ABC. But then also, how many times can it go into itself? Only once. So you output that. So you divide the largest one by the smallest one, and you would get 2. I don't know. They give you like a set of rules.
Interesting.
It's weird to explain. It's really weird to explain.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna wake up at 6 in the morning, learn all of chemistry.
I think you should wake the whole building up at 6.
I think I will.
Yeah. Oh, before I gotta quit streaming, I gotta figure something out. Show my calories on the stream, Mason. My 2,057 calories I ate today. And then I think starting tomorrow or perchance the next day, I may even dabble in putting my weight on stream.
Good.
So I have to be accountable and be accountable. So I'm accountable. Stop streaming, yes. Alright.